Welcome to Fox Learn. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Firefox browser in Windows Forms application. After you finish creating the new Windows Forms project, you need to install the Gecko library from Nudget into your project. On the right side of the window, select your solution. Next, right-click and select Manage Nudget Packages, then search for Gecko. This library allows you to embed Gecko into C# applications. After you have installed the Gecko library, you need to change the CPU target, then rebuild your project. You can see the Firefox browser in your Visual Studio toolbox. Next, drag the Gecko browser, text box and label controls from the Visual Studio toolbox into your form designer. You can design a simple UI allows you to enter a URL, then navigate to a website based on the URL you enter. To access a URL, you can use the navigate method, and don't forget to use the initialize method to help you start the Firefox browser. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.